Yo, welcome back my people. It's your boy Siba Life here giving another video. Please, if you are new to my channel, I beg, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, comment and share the video with your friends. Yeah, Charlie, I get some story I want to share with you guys. So without my talk, let's read the story. Reports in news circulation on social media today indicate that the Beam Nation president Vanguard Stonebwoy has physically attacked Angel Town, who happens to be Sarkodie's manager. Per reports and information coming in, Angel Town and Stonebwoy engaged in a violent fight, which consequently made Angel Town suffer some injuries. The physical attack came after a misunderstanding between Sarkodie manager and Stonebwoy at the Heza session. Siba Live get this. The news broke out following a post by popular entertainment analyst Rick Tennyson. He shared on Facebook page that Angel Town had a problem with his eye after he got physically attacked by Stonebwoy following a disagreement at Sarkodie's Black Love concert rehearsals. He wrote, Ricky leaks, speedy recovery Angel. Sarkodie's manager shares video of horrific injuries after burst up with Stonebwoy. Shall I get the video for here? But before I show you guys the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, comment, share the video with your friends. But yeah, you guys watch the video, leave your comments down below, and see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Stay safe. Follow all the safety protocols put by to fight against the coronavirus. See you guys. Peace.